So guys, if you are also struggling with your Google profile getting logged out every time you open the Chrome browser, then you don't need to delete cookies or temporary files again and again. To fix this issue, just open your Chrome browser and sign in again. Now click on your profile. Then click on Manage your Google account. Now look at the top left of your browser, right next to the website URL. You'll see a small lock icon or something orange style icon depending on your Chrome or Edge browser. That is the View Site Information button. Click on it. Click on Cookies and Data. Then go to Manage on Device Site Data. Now click on Manage Site Data. Chrome Site Data setting will open. Go to Not Allowed to Save Data on Your Device section. Check if myaccount.google.com or account.google.com is blocked. If yes, click the 3 vertical dots next to it and select Allow. Now restart your Chrome browser again and your problem should be fixed. That's it. Stay safe.